Okay, it's been a couple of hours and I think my grapes are done. We're going to look in here and see what it looks like. I'm getting my potato masher and you can see it's kind of all empty skins and stems now. So it's ready to go. Now I actually already drained one bottle off because like I said before, I kind of had mine mounted and I didn't want it to overflow. So I've already got one out, but now I'm going to go ahead. I have got my lids ready here. They've been boiling. I have got my bottles in the oven. Now you want to have your oven just on low, just keep warm, but you want to have your bottles warm when you put something hot in them. So like for jam or juice, which is very hot, you need to have the bottles hot or else you're going to break your bottles. I just have mine, let's see, my oven set at 170. Just keep warm would be fine. So now I'm just going to take my bottle. Now this is very hot, so be careful. I always put a stool here to help me so that I don't have to try and hold the bottle because, like I say, it's hot. So I've got my hose kinked here, and I'm going to put it in the bottle, and then I'm going to let the clip go. And now I'm just filling up the jar. I got these great 2-quart bottles. I inherited them from my mom. I don't know if anybody can find those, so I'll probably just use your quart bottles. Now, since my tube is not, I'm going to have to kink it. Let's see. I'm letting it go. And now I'm going to kink it to make it stop. Drain. Okay, now for this one, what I do, you need to have a wet cloth. You got to wipe the rim of it. It needs to be perfectly clean. So you got your rim all clean. Then you're going to get your lid. Here's your lid. It's been boiling. Put your ring on it. And then tighten it down. And then you just grab your bottle with hot pads because it's hot. Set it over here. And it will go ahead and it will seal itself. Now, grape juice, you don't need to process it. Hopefully you are aware that fruits and jams can't get botulism, so that's not even a concern. The only concern would be if it were to be to spoil. But since the juice has already been heated up to boiling, it's already killed off the enzymes that will cause it to spoil, so all you have to do is seal it. And since this juice is very hot, it's going to go ahead and just seal without even processing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll fill up my other jars, and it's really an easy process. So good luck doing it yourself.